Hey loves, today I'm sharing a weekend day in the life so that you can see what our family's schedule and routines are like for a full day on the weekend. If you're new here, my name is Brianna. You might know me as Bits of Bri, and I'm married to my husband, Adam. We have 2 kids at the moment, Landon and Presley, and my day starts around 5:30 in the morning when it's still dark out. I make a coffee, I ride the exercise bike, and I try to get some work done while I'm on the bike, and then I'll shower. I always try to get myself ready before the kids wake up, but if they wake up before I'm ready, like they happened to on this day, it was daylight savings weekend, I will make them breakfast, and then my husband usually wakes up around this time, finishes breakfast with them while I finish getting ready upstairs.
Daddy, for the red one.
Yeah, what letter is it?
2. Line it up.
It looks like a 2. I think it's because it's the letter S, but it's backwards how Daddy's blowing it up. We have so much to do today. It's going to be very ambitious. On this day, we were having a Christmas photo shoot for our family and for all of my blog posts for the holiday season. So I had to prep wrapping some gifts and making my butter cookie or cutout cookie dough before my friend and photographer Molly came over to take our pictures. And I just love being able to work with Molly and batch shoot like we did on this day, because this way we get a bunch of photos that I can use all season. They're done in one swoop, and it helps keep things so simple. I have to prep a lot to make it all work. You might have seen that in my last video, but overall, this saves me so much time and allows me to do a lot of work in a couple of hours instead of having to do a different shoot every single day during the holiday season. All right, here's my first outfit. I know my curler is still in my hair. I'm not gonna take it out right before we take pictures. I'm just a little bit stressed out because I've got about 30 minutes before Molly, my friend who's our photographer, gets here, and I've got to turn on like every single light garland thing in the house so she can take pictures of all the decor, and I still have to get the kids ready, and I just feel like I have so much to do. 30 minutes. See how cute they look?
But then I'm going to go meet you guys.
You're gonna go with us where?
I'm going to go on a date night with you guys.
Oh, on a date night? In your date night shoes?
You can go with you can go yes, and I'm going to go meet you guys on a date night.
Okay. Molly's here. Hi. Just get ready. I'm sorry to have this in your face, but I'm vlogging today, and I already talked about you. So this is Molly, our photographer. She loves telling people, like in stores, how old I am too. Yeah. Have Daddy sit on the 3rd step. Powering through. These are always like marathon days, but so worth it. Presley, don't use my arm. I've always got a lot to clean up afterwards because there really isn't time to clean up as we go on these days since we're just shooting as quickly as we can. So I had a lot of stuff that I had to tidy up later in the day. But before we get to tidying, I am so excited to tell you about GE Lighting. We partnered with them for this video, and I love how their smart bulbs and smart plugs and light strips have just made our home feel so much more complete and practical, especially this holiday season. Since I always decorate the day after Halloween, I know I'm early, but we have the smart plugs for our Christmas trees, which make it so easy to turn them on from my phone, whether I'm at home or not. And I even set up a timer so that every day at sunset, the tree will turn on. And in our son Landon's room, I'm obsessed with these full color bulbs. They offer millions of color options. And since his favorite color is blue and his bedroom is already decorated for Christmas, I love being able to make it a true blue Christmas in here. right from my phone. In our movie room down the basement, we have the full color light strips, which help set the tone in our movie room. They can all be adjusted on our phone too. And in our bedroom, we have the tunable white bulbs, which they can be set to cool tones, to soft white, to warm tones, depending on the time of day and the mood. And all of these GE lighting products were so easy to set up. They make our lives so much simpler, and they just help enhance our home and our decor. So you can check out the link in my description to check out GE Lighting's C by GE products from our retail partner, Walmart. I'm sure that you will love using these products in your home and with your family, just like we do. I'm so happy that we got all of those photos done with Molly. It was like a jam-packed day, and now I just need to tidy up, and we're ordering food for dinner, and then I'll share what our bedtime routine is with the kiddos too. So after the family photo shoot, we gave the kids their baths because they were a little sticky after all of the baking pics, and we put them into their pajamas early because they were both asking to wear their elf pajamas because of all the Christmas decor probably. So for the rest of the day, we just hung out around the house, we watched a movie, and then I cleaned and tidied up before dinner. And I was so happy because we ordered food. It had just been such a busy day with the photo shoot.
Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Yeah, haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I missed your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful.
God is great, God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. What's your favorite thing on your plate? Huh?
I think it's corn dogs, huh? She's like,
Corn
I
dogs?
don't want to go print corn dogs.
Oh yeah?
Oh, is it chewing? She got really good.
I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday.
Oh, stand in there. Stand and brush.
Just wanna have a holiday.
Okay, you're getting to bed.
That's going in the blog.
Okay, you under there?
Isn't it cool how your new light matches your room and even your lights on your Christmas tree? We can
Like
change
the
it.
blue?
We can change it to whatever color we want.
No, it's a blue Christmas theme in here. Suddenly, Thomas saw a shooting star. He wanted to see it again. He went to look for the shooting star. Thomas saw a bright light in the distance. There it is, he peeped. The light was not a star. It was Percy's lamp. Owl, did you see a shooting star? Peeped Thomas. No who, no who, said the owl. By now, Thomas was too sleepy to keep looking. He went home to his shed. Soon, Thomas was sound asleep. Good night, Thomas. Okay, let's say our prayers. Now I lay me down to sleep. Pray the Lord my soul to keep. Safely guide me through the night. Wake me with the morning light. Amen. Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. I hate to leave you, but I really must stay. Good night, sweetheart. Good night. I love you forever. I like you for always. As long as I'm living, my baby will be. Amen. Amen. I love you.
What you do? Night night, Mom.
Night night, Presley. Okay, go into your room.
Wants to see the color change fast. Pick a color.
What color?
Red. Red.
Red. How
Now pick
about
a color.
green?
I like green.
Green.
Black.
Black isn't a color to light up. How about yellow?
I like yellow. Orange.
There's orange.
Orange.
I had trouble finding orange.
How about
Now you're doing that back.
Back to blue.
Yeah. Oh, back.
Good night, I love you.
You're doing that you do, Mama.
Yes, I will.
Go to bed in your bed.
Okay, good night, I love you.
Then
I love you.
go Dad. Night night, Mom.
Night night,
Give
Presley.
my dad.
Okay, love you.
Night night, Mom.
After dinner, we brushed teeth, then we read the kids a bedtime story, said our prayers, we sang bedtime songs, and then I did a quick tidy up downstairs before I had a little bit of work to do on the computer, and then I got myself ready for bed. I try to be in bed and asleep before 10 so that I've got enough rest to be up by 5:30 the next day and restart the cycle. But thank you again to GE Lighting for partnering with us for today's Day in the Life video. Hope that you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.